We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes us to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews, very inspiring. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.